guys, today I have a pretty quick and simple lesson for you, just showing you a couple old school soul strumming patterns that you need to have in your bag. Make sure you come by TastyGuitar.com to get the free tab on this lesson. Also, check the description below for information about membership at Tasty Guitar, where you can get interactive Soundslice TAB, backing tracks, feedback on your playing from me, live workshops, and so much more. Tune up and let's get started. All right, guys, let's go ahead and break down this first rhythm. One thing you'll notice that both of these rhythms have in common is on the and of beat 4, at the end of each measure, you're hitting a dead strum, so just dead strings. Okay, this is a really common sound in this old R&B to have a kind of a dead strum there. Now, both of these rhythms we're going to be playing from a C7 chord to an F9, but I'm just playing kind of chord fragments, so just smaller versions of these chords, breaking the C7 down to this and the F9 to this. Also, I'm going to be using all down strums throughout, and that's just really for tone. It just gets a really nice tone. Okay, so right there on beat 1, just going to hit the C7 chord in eighth notes. So that's 1 and. On beat 2, you're going to hit it stronger, accented, and cut it off, so hit it really staccato. On the and of beat 2, going to hit a regular strum again, and let that ring. So that's 1 and 2 and. On beat 3, same thing we did on beat 2, just that accented strum followed by the and of the beat. On beat 4, another strum followed by the dead strings. And that's it. And you're going to do that same exact rhythm, just moving to the F9 chord. So here's the entire pattern very slowly. Again. And now let's pick up the tempo and repeat it. All right, in this next rhythm, same thing happening on the and of beat 4 again, hitting those dead strings. That is the thing you really want to take away from this lesson because that's really important for the sound. Okay, so right here we're going to start now on the and of beat 1, same chords, 1. Just hit that on the and of beat 1, 1. On the and of beat 2, going to hit the chord again, let it ring for beat 3, 1. Again, 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Hit it on 4, 1. And then put the dead strings on the and of 4, and that is the rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and. And then move on down to the F9 chord. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and. That's the entire rhythm. Just release pressure on that chord to get the dead strings. Pick it up. Now let's play with the track again.